Okay, from the homework, or the homework packet that we're going to be doing, I had a couple people today that really struggled with the place value chart method, and I could see how you could struggle with that. It's a real big conceptual piece. It's taking what we're actually doing in division and looking at it in a picture form. And so I'm going to have two videos dealing with the place value method. One of them, I'm going to show you the actual place value chart on the board here, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. And then the second one, I'm going to show you with money how it looks. So you can have two examples to look at, and you can take as much time as you need to, and you can really pause the video if you need to, really think about what's happening. Try this example with me, and it's actually number 1, part A on your homework, the very first one. So, if we look at the place value chart, we have ones over here. Okay, so ones in this column. We have tenths in this column, and we have hundreds. All right, so ones, tenths, and hundreds. Ones, tenths, and hundreds. We've been dealing with this number system for a while now. It's our base 10 system, and we know that the decimal goes right here. We don't even need to write that. We just know that it goes right there. Okay? And to start off, I have 5 tenths. So we draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the tenths. Okay? And I'm asking you to put it in 2 groups. And one of the things that I've showed you guys is to put it in 2 groups, we just draw a line here. If it's 3 groups, you would have 3 lines here, and so on and so forth. But we're just going to take this 5 tenths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tenths, and we're going to start sharing it. And I have a whiteboard, so I can erase it, but if you have a piece of paper, you can just draw an X or draw arrows and just show that you're actually sharing it. And what I mean by that is I'm going to erase this one, this 1 tenth, and I'm going to share it over here. And I know that I can do another one, and I'm going to share it over here. So now I've shared 2 tenths to each one of these groups. This one has an extra one in it. This one has 3 tenths. This one has 2 tenths, and this one has 3. I need to get this one with 3. Oh, this one with 3, I need to get it to 2. So I can take and cross this out, and I can trade it into the next column. I can break 1 tenth up into 10 equal pieces. So we take a tenth and break it up into 10 equal pieces, and it's 10 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I can erase this because that showed me that it went over there. And now I have 2 tenths and 2 tenths in each one of my groups. Now, I have 10 over here, and if I know math, I know that I can take this 10, and 10 shared into 2 equal groups is going to be 5. So 5 and 5. So basically, what I've just showed is 5 tenths shared into 2 equal groups is equal to 2 tenths and 5 hundredths. Or 5 tenths divided by 2 equals 25 hundredths. And this makes sense because if we multiply our 2 right here by our quotient, we'll get our dividend. 2 quarters is 50 cents. 2 times 25 hundredths is 50 hundredths, and 50 hundredths is equal to 5 tenths. So that's what you would do on that section of the homework that looks like this. Right there. Okay? That's exactly how you would do that little section right there. We wouldn't use the thousands column, it's just there if you need it. Okay? Stop that as many times as you need to, rewind it, replay it, and try to work that example along with me.